So we have replaced all 5 cylinders, put the panels back in the original order, just put them back in the way we took them out, in reverse order, and we have a working top again. Now, if you're a shop, you can probably book a full day for this. If you're a good do-it-yourselfer, with the help of this video, you should be able to do this all pretty easily in a weekend. And on this particular car, it's a model year 2001, very well kept, in a cool climate, always garage kept, so nothing was really baked in here, and that's why the system was only about to fail. It wasn't really failing yet, there were no major leaks. So in this particular case, it was preventative maintenance, which is a smart thing to do if you're planning to keep the car. You actually take care of these hydraulics before it turns into an emergency, before you stain your headliner with oil and so on and so forth. Anyway, enough said about that. Let's see if this whole thing works. We'll put the top down, ignition on, pull the switch, top unlocks in the front at the same time as the trunk lid goes back. We get the signal that the trunk lid is back all the way, so the Vario roof goes down. Limit switch is hit that the roof is down. Now the trunk lid comes forward. As soon as the forward latches in the trunk lid signal that they're closed, the windows will go up and everything is done. So the top works. Woohoo!